Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this nice exponential problem in which we need to find the value of x that satisfy the given equality. We have 2 raised to power x equals to 3 raised to power x plus 2. Since the bases 2 and 3 are different, we cannot directly equate the exponents. Instead, we will use log to simplify this. So, take log on both sides. We get log 2 raised to power x equals to log 3 raised to power x plus 2. Now use power rule which says log a raised to power b can be written as b log a. So our equation will become x log 2 equals to x plus 2 log 3. Now expand right hand side, we get x log 2 equals to x log 3 plus 2 log 3. Now bring x log 3 to the left hand side, we get x log 2 minus x log 3 equals to 2 times log 3. Now take x common from left hand side, we get x times log 2 minus log 3 equals to 2 times log 3. Now divide both sides by log 2 minus log 3. So log 2 minus log 3 will get cancelled out from the left hand side. We get x equals to 2 times log 3 divided by log 2 minus log 3. Now substitute the respective values of log. We get x equals to 2 times 1.0986 equals to 0.693 minus 1.0986 equals to, on solving this we get minus 5.418. So to ensure our solution is correct, let's put the value of x back into the original equation to check if both sides are equal. So on the left hand side, we have 2 raised to power x. On substituting the value of x, we get 2 raised to power minus 5.418, which on solving we get 0.02339. And on the right hand side, we have 3 raised to power x plus 2. On substituting the value of x, we get 3 raised to power minus 5.418 plus 2. On solving this, we get 3 raised to power minus 3.418, which on solving gives 0.02339. Hence, left hand sides equal to right hand side